Hi everyone, welcome back to Throttle Blaze. Imagine you are about to buy your dream car. You walk into a showroom, the salesperson explains the engine, mileage, features, and price. But today, there is one question almost every buyer asks before making the final decision. How many stars does this car have? But have you ever wondered what is a safety rating? Who gives these stars? What is global NCAP? What is Bharat NCAP? Can manufacturers buy safety ratings? And does a 5-star rating really mean you are completely safe? Today, we will answer all these questions in a simple way. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. A few years ago, the way most Indians bought cars was very different. Safety ratings were rarely part of the conversation. Instead, buyers usually ask questions like how much mileage does it give, what's the price, how much boot space does it have. These were the biggest deciding factors. It's not that people didn't care about safety. The reality is that many buyers simply were not familiar with the crash test or safety ratings. There was not much awareness and safety information and was not discussed as widely as it is today. Things began to change when crash test videos started reaching millions of viewers online. One of the biggest turning point was the Tata Nexon earning a 5-star global NCAP safety rating. Tata Motors highlighted this achievement in its marketing, bringing vehicle safety into mainstream conversations. Suddenly, people started paying attention. Customers who once asked only about mileage and price were now asking a different question. How many stars does this car have? As awareness grew, many manufacturers began placing greater emphasis on safety because customers increasingly considered it when choosing a new car. But before we understand these stars, we first need to understand one simple question. What exactly is a car safety rating? So, what exactly is a safety rating? A safety rating tells us how well a car protects its occupants during a crash. To determine this, vehicles are tested under controlled crash conditions. Engineers evaluate several factors, including the strength of the vehicle's body structure, the effectiveness of airbags, seat belt, and other safety systems. They also assess how well the car protects adult occupants and child occupants. Based on these test results, the vehicle is awarded a safety rating ranging from 1 star to 5 stars. In general, higher the star rating, the better the level of protection demonstrated in those tests. One of the most common questions people ask is, can car manufacturers buy a 5-star safety rating? The answer is no. Safety ratings are awarded based on how a vehicle performs in crash tests and evaluations carried out under the testing program procedures. The result depends on the vehicle performance during those tests, not simply on who manufactured the vehicle. So going to the next chapter, what is Global NCAP? Before Bharat NCAP was introduced, there was Global NCAP. Global NCAP or the Global New Car Assessment Program is an independent UK registered charity organization that works to improve vehicle safety around the world. It conducts and supports independent crash testing programs to help consumers understand how safely vehicles perform in crashes. During its Safer Cars for India campaign, Global NCAP tested several cars sold in the Indian market. These tests actually brought greater public attention to vehicle safety and crash test ratings. As awareness increased, especially after highly rated models such as the Tata Nexon, many manufacturers began placing greater emphasis on crash safety and participating in safety assessment programs. Going to the next chapter, what is Bharat NCAP? In 2023, the Government of India introduced Bharat NCAP or Bharat New Car Assessment Program or BNCAP, India's own vehicle safety assessment program. At present, Bharat NCAP is voluntary. Eligible manufacturers can choose to submit their vehicle for testing under the program. This means not every car sold in India has a Bharat NCAP rating. If a manufacturer wants its vehicle evaluated, it can apply for testing through Bharat NCAP. In the future, the government may change the rules, but currently testing under Bharat NCAP is not mandatory. Going to the next topic, how are 5-star ratings calculated? When you see a car with 5-star safety rating, have you ever wondered how that rating is calculated? BNCAP evaluates two key areas, adult occupant protection and child occupant protection. For adult occupant protection, the maximum score is 32 points. To qualify for a 5-star rating, a vehicle must score at least 27 points along with meeting the required safety assist criteria. For child occupant protection, the maximum score is 49 points. To achieve a 5-star rating, the vehicle must score at least 41 points. The higher the score, the better the vehicle performed in protecting its occupants during the program's crash test. Now we will go to the Q&A session. Question number 1. Does a 5-star safety rating means the car is completely safe? The answer is no. A 5-star safety rating doesn't mean a car is impossible to damage or that passengers will always be safe. It simply means the car performed very well in standardized crash test. In real life, safety also depends on many factors like your speed, type of crash, road condition, weather, and whether everyone is wearing a seat belt. So a 5-star car gives you a better protection, but it is not a guarantee of survival in every accident. Question number 2. At what speed are GNCAP and BNCAP crash tests conducted? Both GNCAP and Bharat NCAP conduct the frontal offset crash test at 64 km per hour. This standard speed ensures every vehicle is tested fairly and the safety performance can be compared accurately. If I drive at 120 km per hour, will a 5-star car still protect me? No, not always. A 5-star rating is based on standard crash test, not every real world accident. The faster you drive, the higher the crash impact. Drive safe, speed saves time, but safety saves lives. Will airbags work if I don't wear a seatbelt? No. Airbags are designed to work with seatbelts, not replace them. Seat plus airbag equal to maximum protection. Always wear your seatbelt even if your car has airbags. Question number 5. Is a 5-star car enough to save my life? No. A 5-star car gives you better protection, not a guarantee of survival. Your safety also depends on seat belt, safe speed, and safe driving. A 5-star car protects you, your driving saves you. Question number 6. If a car gets 5-star adult protection but only 3-star child protection, or vice versa, is it still a 5-star car? The answer is no. Bharat NCAP gives separate ratings for adult protection and child protection. So always check both ratings before buying a car. One rating is not enough. Adult rating plus child rating equals complete safety picture. Today we understand what safety ratings are, the difference between Global NCAP and Bharat NCAP, how crash tests are conducted, why adult and child safety ratings are both important, and why a 5-star rating doesn't guarantee complete safety. Remember, the safest car is the one that driven safely. Before buying your next vehicle, don't just ask how many stars does it have. Also ask, does it have the safety features that can protect my family? Drive safe, wear your seatbelt, protect every passenger. Before we end, remember one thing. A 5-star safety rating is important, but it is not everything. Wear your seatbelt, use child restraints, drive responsibly, because the safest car is always the one that's driven safely. Thank you for watching. This is Throttle Blaze. Until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye.